Connected Development, a non-profit organization advancing social accountability and citizen participation in governance, has launched a new project to track gateway funds for strengthening health security in Nigeria. Tope Alabi reports that the initiative is an analysis and capstone project of the Global Health Advocacy Incubator, supported by Resolve to Save Lives.
The Basic Healthcare Provision Fund remains Nigeria's primary domestic financing mechanism for strengthening the health system. And within the framework, the Nigeria Center for Disease Control Gateway is a major channel that directly supports disease surveillance, outbreak response, laboratory systems, and emergency coordination. However, public visibility into NCDC gateway disbursements and utilization remains limited, as Nigeria's epidemic preparedness and response capacity depends significantly on sustained domestic financing for health security. This project, launched by Connected Development Code, seeks to address critical accountability and evidence gaps capable of undermining effective epidemic preparedness and response.
So the project exclusively focuses on the 32.9 billion naira that is targeted towards national and sub-national health security. So we're particularly looking at investment around epidemic preparedness, system surveillance, responses. Just simply want to increase accountability, transparency, and efficiency. If these funds are being adequately utilized, you would see situations where we would not be taken unawares by epidemics.
Strategic stakeholders for the project, apart from the Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC, include the Ministerial Oversight Committee on Basic Health Care Provision Fund, Federal and State Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, Emergency Operations Centers, as well as civil society and media partners.
At Connected Development, Follow the Money, we use the freedom of information as our yardstick for holding government accountable, because the law allows us to ask questions, especially on public spending. So this is what we're going to do with the project. And then we're also going to encourage citizens gather information through the monitoring and tracking which citizens are going to do with us.
Through this initiative, CODE aims to generate actionable evidence between January and June 2026 to support improved oversight, learning, and sustained investment that translates into measurable preparedness and resilience outcomes. In Abuja, Tope Alabi, NTA News.